Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to place the order on AliExpress. As you know guys, AliExpress is the biggest e-commerce website on the world, and then because the products of AliExpress it's very cheap because it's from China. Then I will show you step by step how to create an order of any product on AliExpress. So let's get started. First guys, after you opening the AliExpress website, then go and you need to create your account. Then if you have already has an account on AliExpress, just click on sign in or register. For me, just I will click on sign in, then I will choose my account. Then guys, after creating your AliExpress account, then go to place an order. Then for example I will choose a random product. I will show you how to make an order as a buyer or as a dropshipper. For example, this one, if the buyer buy this product, then I will show you how to place the order on AliExpress. For example, this one, and I will choose the random color and the random size to place the order as a dropshipper or as a buyer. Then guys, first you need to select the free shipping, then go directly to buy now, then select buy now. Then guys, first step you need to change the shipping address. Then you need to add the shipping address of the buyer. Then guys, then select and click on add a new address, then hit, then you need to add his name and add his number and his address, then his country as a dropshipper and his zip code, because automatically the seller of AliExpress will send the product directly to his address of your buyer. Then guys, after you add in the address, click on confirm the address. Then guys, the step number 2, the payment method. Then you need to select your payment method as a dropshipper or as a buyer. For example, if you had already used this credit card or PayPal or Google Pay or any method or payment method. Then guys, if you are a buyer, just select and click on place order. But if you are a dropshipper, you need to select of this icon, then click, then you need to send the message of seller on AliExpress. Then guys, you need to tap please send please ship the product or the order without price and no logo, because I am a drop shipper. Then guys, click on confirm, because the seller of AliExpress will recognize that you are a dropshipper. Then they will send the product without no price and no logo. Then guys, after adding the message, then place the order. Then after you placing the order, just go to your account after 2 days, then the tracking number, and the seller will send you the tracking number with selecting the account, and go direct to your my order section. Then go and select your order, then you will find in the middle add tracking. Then you will select the tracking, then automatically copy the tracking and send it to your buyer. As you see guys, it's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.